Hello, this is a video tour of number 46 Grove Avenue. The property is a late Victorian semi-detached house which does offer 5 bedrooms. Leading to the property there is a driveway which leads you through to a full garden area, where on the right hand side there are gates leading into the rear garden. There are a range of borders. There is also an elevated lawn area to the front, beyond which is an original style wall to front and side. Leading to the property there are stone steps which go up to the original style main entrance door, above which is a fan light, and there is also detailing in the stonework. Inside the vestibule there is mint and tile flooring, there is one ceiling light point, there is decorative coving, and a further door with etched glass over and to side leading into the main entrance hall. In the entrance hall there are 2 ceiling light points, including a light with a rose, decorative coving, feature archway, dado rail with anaglypta wallpaper below, and the mint and tile flooring does continue through from the entrance vestibule. On the right there is a door leading through into the larger reception room. In the reception room there is a bay window to front aspect. There is a ceiling light point with the ceiling rose, decorative coving, a picture rail. There is a radiator, and in this room there is also an original style cast iron fireplace with a tile surround, tiled hearth, and throughout the room there is a high level skirting as well. The sizes of the room are available on our sales particulars. Beyond this room is the second reception room. In the second reception room there is a door with windows over and to the side which does lead out into the rear garden. There is a ceiling light point and a rose with coving, picture rail, radiator. There is also an original style inset fireplace with tile surround and hearth, and there is also a marble mantel surround. We will now pass the staircase, which you'll note does have panelling. The door on the left does take you through into the cellar, which I will show you after we've been outside. At the end of the entrance hall there is a doorway leading through into a lobby area. From the lobby area there is a door to the rear garden which can be accessed on the side. In here there is a ceiling light point, dado rail, and there is tiled flooring which does continue through to the kitchen and WC which is located ahead. So in the WC there is a ceiling light point, there's a high level sash window to side, low level flush WC, and there is also a wall mounted hand basin with a mixer tap. Also from the lobby area there is access into a pantry. Inside the pantry there is shelving, coat rail, and there is also an original style internal window. The dining kitchen is ahead. In the kitchen area on the right there are 2 sash windows. There is a column radiator located just beyond this sofa. On the left of the room there is original style cupboards and drawers. And the kitchen is fitted with quartz work surfaces. There are a range of wall and base units. There's an integrated dishwasher, washing machine. There is also a 2-bowl sink with a mixer tap over with integral drainer to the work surface. And on the left side of the kitchen there is space for a range style cooker with cooker hood over. There is also space for a fridge freezer. There is also an opening into the dining area. In the dining area on the right there is a column style vertical radiator, sash window. There are also skylights and French doors with windows to the side opening into the rear garden. Before we head outside I just want to show the span of the room. Now the rear garden can be accessed via the gated side access. the lobby area and also through the kitchen. So out here there is a gravel seating area. This does lead to a lawn. On both sides of the lawn there are borders and trees. At the rear of the garden there is a raised border built with the original style stones. There is also a pergola and the shed as well in the corner, which does have steps up to it. The garden is wide, and down the side return of the house there is a good amount of space. To show you that now, there is a gravel pathway. On the left hand side you'll note that there is a variety of shrubs and trees. Ahead are the doors to the second reception room. On the right hand side is the door to the lobby area, and you'll note that there are raised planted beds. Before we head back inside, I just want to show the access to the front of the property. So plenty of width down here with a log store, and you have the gates at the end there leading to the driveway. The cellar is located from the entrance hall, which you can see ahead. On the right hand side here there is a door which does go down to the cellar rooms. You'll note that on the landing there the Minton tile does continue from the entrance hallway, and there is a light at the top of the stairs. Just to show you the view down. Here is the view up to the landing area. The cellar does comprise of 3 chambers. The initial chamber has got a ceiling light point, wood effect laminate flooring. Ahead is cellar room 1. The sizes of the room are available online, and there's a ceiling light point, and the flooring does continue throughout the floor down here. On the left there is a doorway leading through into a larger room, currently used for storage. There are 2 wall mounted lights, and ahead there is a shelf space as well. The first floor is approached by the entrance hall with a staircase leading up to a large landing area. You'll note that there's a sash window to side aspect, and there are access to bedrooms 1 to 3, the separate WC and the bathroom. There is a ceiling light, 2 ceiling light points, dado rail, radiator, and the same anaglyptic wallpaper as there is in the entrance hall. Ahead are the stairs that lead up to the second floor. The staircase is panelled, and there is a doorway to a good sized understair storage cupboard with hanging rails and a light. Bedroom number 1 faces the front of the property. In the room there is a central bay window with sash windows, a ceiling light point, decorative coving, a picture rail. There is also an inset original style fireplace with tile surround and hearth, and the mantel is marble. From this room there is access to an ensuite shower room. In the shower room there is a sash window to front aspect. There is a ceiling light point, panelled walls to half height, low level flush WC, pedestal wash hand basin. There is also an enclosed shower cubicle as well. Bedroom number 2 is currently being utilised as an office. In this room there is a sash window to rear aspect, a ceiling light point, coving and picture rail as with the front bedroom. Again, in this room there is an original style inset fireplace. Bedroom number 3 is located at the rear of the property. So to show you the other side of the landing, so you've got the window in more detail. The bathroom and the WC are located on the right, and the guest room is located ahead. So there's a sash window to rear aspect, ceiling light point, you've got the radiator below the window. There is also book shelving with cupboards and an inset fireplace with tile surround and hearth. The view of the garden from this room is ahead. The family bathroom is located behind this room. In here there is a sash window to side aspect, a range of ceiling spotlights. There is a panelled bath, mixer tap, there's a heated towel rail, the countertop hand basin has a mixer tap over, and there is a walk-in shower cubicle. Lastly, on this level there is a separate WC. In the room there is a sash window to side aspect which is obscured, low level flush WC, laminate wood effect flooring, and there is also a radiator. The second floor is approached via the first floor landing with a staircase leading up to a gallery style landing area where there is a skylight, ceiling light point and doors to bedroom number 4. In the room there are 2 skylights, sash window to side aspect and radiator. A good sized room which also has an original style inset fireplace. Bedroom number 5 is located towards the back. In this room there is a window to side aspect which is a sash window, 2 skylights, ceiling light point. There is also a cast iron inset fireplace. The dressing room is located at the front of the house. In here there is a skylight, ceiling light point, and there is also access into the loft. The flooring in here is wood. Lastly, on this floor there is access to a large storeroom. Now there is restricted head height. There are a range of wall mounted lights. There are 3 skylights. The current owners are using this space as a library, but the room does give ample storage space as well. So you've got the view out of the skylight and the view back to the beginning of the room. The room does measure 34 foot long. Now that does conclude the video tour for the property. If you are interested in arranging a viewing, please call the office on the number provided and we'll look forward to seeing you soon.